Okay, that's the driver's side door. The red car is mostly gone, stripped down. I guess I should have recorded that. Oh well. Steering column, bed cover. There's a gas tank over there by the Corvair. There's bits and pieces of the frame. Man, that thing was rusty. It wasn't really worth saving that. I got better frames. But I did cut some pieces out of it that were in good shape so that I could weld them into other frames. Have to strip out the passenger door of the hardware yet. The shell's pretty much worthless, but I'll save every nut and bolt, piece of trim, anything that's reusable. This is the front frame section with the suspension. These are always a bit of fun to take apart. And the rear. Just not sure what I want to do with this rear because it's an 8.2. It's not a corporate rear, so it's not an 8.5, which would be much easier to put a posi unit in. It's 273 open. I have a bunch of rears, so I don't know if I'll scrap it or try to sell it. Yeah, we'll see. Still ways to go yet. Okay, I just flipped this tank over. So these two side vents, they go right there, which is the bottom connections. And then this middle vent goes to that side. And I think that's the return from the front. No, that's... This is the feed, so that's just loose. That comes from the vapor in the front. Okay, number 2 in the front end. All loaded up. Hood's pretty shot. Might be able to use some of the other stuff, hopefully. I think this frame is good. I'll have to be careful with this one. I'm not sure if this is a fixer or if the green one's the fixer. If I fix this, I'll have to take the quarters off the green one to put on it. We'll see what the floors look like. I'm leaning towards the green one being the fixer. Green one. One more to go. Still haven't gotten the doors open. That'll be the first puzzle. That looks pretty bad. Oh, we got a hole. There's a hole in the frame. There's a couple holes in the frame. All right. Well, that's that. Here we go. All right, well, to get in this stupid thing, I can't open either one of the doors from the outside, but the wing vent was pushed open. It's probably broken. So what I did was stick my arm through here and reach in and turn the window crank until the window's down. Now I can at least crawl in. I got my head in for the first time. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to try to get a door handle. Doesn't work. It's probably locked. And there's no lock rod. I see a lock rod over there, so if that one's locked, I'll try that. One way or another, it's coming open. Oh boy, a Spark-O-Matic. Okay, so it's open now, thanks to a vice grip and a real hard kick from the inside. Door doesn't want to stay open. I guess I'll just take it off. Take a door off of a junk car. Always leave one bolt. Then grab it and hope you know where you're going with it when you get it off. All right, last bolt. Artifacts. Can't tell what that one was. 30s, 40s. I'll take that. There's the other armrest. More acorns. It's always fun to look in a junk car and wonder what you're gonna find. Armrest bolt. Same deal with the other one. For some reason, they like to take the ashtray out. I don't know why. Just put the ashtray back where it belongs. Small block Chevy distributor hold down where the ashtray belongs. Original cigarette lighter. That's a compound scissors jack. I use them around the garage. Not sure if this one's going to be any good. I'll lube it up, see if it works. Wood blocks. I believe this is a bracket. This is for the dash pad. Goes up underneath the dash pad to hold it to the cowl. Aftermarket lighter, maybe. Need to go get a box or something to put little bits and pieces in that I can use. Well, the hope that I could use any part of this floor has pretty much evaporated. I need to get this thing off of here and roll it around. These two back flip tires just want to go flat. Not holding air. This one held air for about 3 hours. The other one about 3 minutes. So I took the other one off and I put some air in it. Sprayed it with a little soapy water. Yeah, it's pretty obvious that bead is not holding.